Hello friends, very good morning. This is the part 3 of our chapter number 3. Now in this video we are going to discuss angle sum property. Today we complete only angle sum property. Now what is the meaning of angle sum property? Sum of interior angles of a polygon. Okay, you have a polygon. Okay, in this polygon, any polygon, either be it's a triangle, quadrilateral, kite, rhombus, any polygon. In this polygon you have to find out what is the sum of the interior angle. So this is a formula to finding the sum of interior angles. Okay, interior angles, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. It is known as the sum of interior angles. Now what is n? N represents here number of sides. Okay, suppose we have a triangle. In this triangle we have three angles: angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, now what is this? These are the interior angles: angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So sum of interior angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. We know that, but can we verify from this formula? N equals to 3. Yes or no? N equals to 3. The number of sides are 3. So 3 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So 1 multiplied by 180 degree equals to 180 degree. Now you can check from here. It becomes 180 degree. Now if you have quadrilateral, that means 4 sides. Okay, so n equals to 4. N equals to 4. So 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. That means 2 multiplied by 180 degree. It is equals to 360 degree. And we know that the sum of interior angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 equals to 360 degree, and so on. Okay, now sum of exterior angles of any polygon will be 360 degree. Guys, this is constant. That means the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon, either it's a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, any polygon, the exterior angle, the sum of exterior angle is fixed, that is 360 degree. That is 360 degree. Now we have a polygon A, E, D, C, D. This is a polygon. Okay, now we are going to find out the what are the interior angles and what are the exterior angles. Okay, now this is the interior angles. I told you this is the interior angle: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5 are the interior angle, and angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9 and angle 10 are the exterior angles. Okay, this is a question for you. If we have this angle 81 degree exterior angle, and this is the 61 degree, this is 90 degree, 24 degree and 102 degree, you have to find out all the angles. Okay, I'm calculating one. Suppose we have this angle, angle 1. Okay, so angle, this is angle 1. So angle 1 plus 81 degree equals to 180 degree. How? We know that linear pair, we studied in 7th class now. Linear pair, the complete one is linear pair. Yes or no? So angle 1 equals to 180 degree minus 81 degree. 10 minus 1 is 9. Yes or no? Here 17 is remaining. 17, 8 1 is 91. So angle 1 is 91 degree. This is a 91 degree. This is interior angle. Okay, and this is exterior angle. Okay, similarly from here you can find this is 90, so this is again 90, this is 156, this is 78 and so on. Okay guys, now quadrilateral. What is the meaning of quadrilateral? Any closed polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices known as quadrilateral. It could be regular or irregular. Now we are going to discuss a specific type of polygon. We have 4 sides, that means number of sides equals to number of vertices, so 4 vertices. Okay, and 4 angles. If we have 4 sides, 4 angle and 4 vertices, it becomes quadrilateral. Now we are going to discuss quadrilateral. It may be irregular or irregular. Okay, suppose regular square is a regular quadrilateral and this one is a irregular quadrilateral. Okay, now angle sum property. In quadrilateral, all interior angles, the sum of all interior angle is 360 degree. Okay, and the sum of all in exterior angle is 360 degree in quadrilateral. Guys, in this lecture and the coming lecture we are going to discuss about only and only quadrilateral. I hope you understood the angle sum property. Thank you so much.